In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem rank math menu not showing on the Gutenberg editor on WordPress. You can see here, maybe usually we have the rank math menu. Okay, now the rank math menu has been gone. How to resolve this problem? And I think this is many WordPress user experience the problem looks like this. To solve this problem, there is two methods. First, in here, make sure you already showing the rank math here. Just click here. You can see there is rank math menu, but you still not seeing the rank math menu on this button. Usually, the rank math menu is showing the score of our SEO. Okay, to do that, just click this pin to toolbar. Usually, we accidentally click this. I'm not sure why the rank math doing like that. But this is make our confused. If we unpin the rank math here, you can see now my rank math is back. Okay, this is the first options, and the second options, if this method still don't show your rank math, make sure on the rank math SEO and titles and meta here, you activate the SEO control. For example, on the post, just select post. Make sure you can select the SEO control is on. Okay, make sure this is on, because if you turn off this, the rank math icon or rank math menu will not showing on the Gutenberg editor on your WordPress websites. And that's all tutorial how to fix a problem the rank math menu not appear on our post editor on WordPress. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.